Meaning of forbearing.
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 Forbearing. The term forbearing refers to the act of showing patience, self-control, and tolerance towards others or difficult situations without reacting in a negative or harmful way. It involves restraining oneself from taking action in response to provocation, criticism, or insult. Forbearing behavior demonstrates emotional maturity and restraint, allowing individuals to maintain their composure and avoid escalating conflicts. While forbearing does not necessarily mean condoning negative behavior, it involves being able to tolerate and address the situation calmly and constructively. Overall, the concept of forbearance promotes harmony and peaceful resolution of conflicts.